morning, boys and girls. My name is Laura, and some of you know me because I am the English teacher of some Year 1 classes. Well, I don't know your names, but I promise that very soon I'm going to be in your classes and we will be learning English in literacy, in natural and social science, and in arts. Today, we are going to practice the assembly. Do you remember the assembly from infants with teacher Jose? Well, today I'm going to start with the days of the week. I'm going to sing a song to practice and see if you remember. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I do Saturday and Sunday because on Saturday and on Sunday we are at home. This is why I do at home. So today, is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Or is it Wednesday? Today is Tuesday. Very good. Let's see about the months. Do you know the months? I'm going to help you to remember the months. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oof, they are 12 months. And I don't know if you remember what month we are in. I'm going to show you. And I'm going to help you because I'm going to tell you just 3 months and you need to tell me what month are we in. Are you ready? July, August, September. So what month are we in? The month is September. Very good. Let's see about the weather. Do you remember the weather? We can see different weather through the window in your classroom. It can be snowy. It can be cloudy. It can be sunny. Or it can be partly cloudy. Okay, cloudy and sunny. So, how's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? So, who can help me? The weather is it sunny? Or is it cloudy? You can tell me. Maybe it is sunny. I don't know, because today is Monday and it's not Tuesday. So you can tell me later in the playground if you know if it's sunny, okay? And finally, I'm going to show you the 4 different seasons that we can find. They are spring, summer, autumn, winter, spring, summer, autumn, winter. And the season is... Yes, the season is summer because we are in the school, but it's still summer, okay? Autumn is in 1 week, next Tuesday, remember, okay? Next Tuesday, it won't be summer anymore. It will be autumn, okay? Bye-bye.